Welcome to the Ranking Factory software. If you look up on the top left, you'll see tab here reads Toolbox, and these are all the tools in your toolbox. And we're going to start off with HTML Creator, where we're going to set up all of our cloud accounts. So come down to the menu bar here and click on Cloud Stacker, and then the one down below, and click on Cloud Accounts. And we're going to start with setting up Amazon AWS. This is the first in a series of tutorials for setting up the Ranking Factory. We're going to be adding the cloud accounts for AWS, Azure, Google accounts, GitHub, pCloud, and Alibaba. So we'll start off with Amazon AWS. So we go to aws.amazon.com. If you don't have an account, you'll sign up for one. If you do have an account, we'll click on AWS Management Console, and I'm partially signed in. Add your username and your password and sign in. Okay. Go up to the left-hand side and click on Services if this menu is not displayed, and you're going to go and look for storage. Amazon, like lots of other big companies, change their look all the time, so if the screen doesn't look the same, you're still going to search for storage and click on S3. Come over to the left-hand side and click on Create Bucket. Give it a name significant to your project. All lowercase and no spaces. Regardless of where you or your client are located, you want to always use US East. Then we click on Next and Next again. Click on the drop-down Manage Public Permissions. Grant public read access to this bucket. Okay, we want Google to be able to read this. So click Next, and then Create Bucket. There. Okay. Okay, so here is our new bucket. And you go up to your name and click on the drop-down arrow and select My Security Credentials. Now, if this doesn't show up, it's likely a problem with your browser, so try a different browser. And then we'll click on Continue to Security Credentials and select Access Keys. Okay, so we click on Create New Access Key, and you can download the file and or click on Show Access Key, and you'll copy this information here. And I've been saving things on a notepad. Close the file. So once that box is closed, you're not going to be able to see it again. So if you need new access keys or you can't find what you copied, you just come back here and click on Create New Access Key. So now we'll go to Ranking Factory Revolutions and take our access key ID and place it in the first box here in the software. And then our secret key goes here in the box. Okay, so once your keys are in there, you're going to give it a profile name, and it doesn't really matter what you name it. And then once you've given it a name, click on Add AWS Account. Please make sure your Amazon bucket region is set to US East, and we did that. Click OK. And now this Amazon AWS account is added. And